Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So we are having a really nice and sunny day. Given that is November, we have really high temperatures. We had only 3 nights with freezing temperatures and the rest was really awesome and nice. So I just wanted to update you on a few plants that are still blooming in the middle of November or towards the end of November, and I've been so grateful for this, you guys, you can't imagine. The lavenders, for example, as you can see here, these look amazing, you guys. These are still in full bloom. I don't know what to say. The roses also, the roses look better than during the summer, so let's see them. Dahlias are not winter hardy in my garden. I garden in a zone 6, and usually I dig up the tubers and I overwinter them in a root cellar. But this one you guys, this one refuses to die, so I need to wait a few more weeks. I just can't dig this up. So lavenders are one of my favorite perennials. They are low maintenance plants, they don't require much attention, yet they look good even during the winter months. And I really love plants for winter interest. And the flowers also can be used for lots of different projects. I created potpourri this summer with the dried lavender flowers. I will link the video down below. Also, look at this Japanese maple, you guys. This is the bloodgood variety and one of my favorite trees in the garden. And it still has all its leaves, and I really love the color of the leaves, you guys. I think this is perfect for fall interest, and I also think this tree can be seen from far away. This morning glory is a surprise. I mean, I planted it, don't get me wrong, but I planted it so late in the season. I don't know, it was April or May, maybe even the end of May, and I didn't expect for it to flower, so I'm really happy with this. I am so fascinated by this rose, you guys. This is a climber I planted this year, and I didn't have high hopes for it because it sat for a long time on a porch at a friend's house. They didn't have any time to plant it, so I took it home and I tried my luck. And I am in luck, you guys. This is one of my favorite roses in the garden, honestly. I can't wait for it to climb the trellis. Also, when I planted it next to the clematis, I was thinking that it will be a really nice combination to have a white climber and a purple clematis on the same trellis in the garden. So another unexpected thing for November, I never saw an iris flower in my zone in November. I am really happy that I can smell the iris. I don't have to wait until June next year. Actually, fun fact, this one should have been a black flowered iris, but you know, this happens when you order bulbs on the internet. Either way, this is amazing. I'm so grateful for it. So the eastern flower bed looks really great this time of the year. We have the Armerias flowering, the roses flowering, even the irises are flowering. Please let me know in the comment section which species are blooming in your garden, and thank you for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye!